up, YouTube? This is Big Red 5.7. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my eBay headlights. I had them for around a year. I want to tell y'all how they work and how they fitted and how they have hold it up. Right now it's night. It's night, obviously. It's dark, of course. So we're gonna show you guys the outside of the lights so y'all can see it in the nighttime how bright they are. Well, YouTube, this is the way they look. This is the way they look. Well, YouTube, these are really nice lights. I see something on how I fucked up so fucking bad with them, because when I got them, they came with those fucking yellow freaking halogen bulbs, and they were so shitty. They didn't look that cool, right? So, for being an animal, my dumbass, how do you call it? There was this little thing that holds the bulb inside the light housing thing, I guess it's called. And how do you call it? My dumbass yanked it off for being an animal. And I didn't give a fuck. I yanked off some little thing that holds the bulb. And from there, well, I've tried to put in like other bulbs than I can, because I need to have that little holding. It's like some little square thing. I'm gonna try to put a picture somewhere here about the thing, about the little part that broke, that I broke. And because of that, these lights, basically I don't have no lights. I'm just on the strips. I'm running on the halo rings and the strips, and then my fog lights, and then some other little freaking lights on the fog lights, and just that. So that means I'm gonna have to go back to OEM, to my OEM headlights, because I need to go out of town. So I want to take this car, and I'm gonna go back to the OEM lights. And yeah, don't be an animal like me. I fucked them up. These lights are really nice. There's freaking comments there on eBay that the freaking bulbs, they burned out. I don't know, but mine, I've had mine for like a year already, and they work really nice. But yeah, don't be an animal, Big Red. Don't be an animal like me, and go with someone who can put them on. You know what I mean? Because that day I was really frustrated, and that was my fault. I could have paid someone to put them on, but me being a cheap ass, I wanted to do it myself, and then I fucked them up. So yeah, YouTube, please like, comment, subscribe.